So welcome back to the another video of 21 day agency program. In this video, the level 1 testing phase, we are going to I'm teaching you here CBO and ABO together with this videos, so we'll understand better when to use, when not to use, and how to use. Okay, so as we discuss the level 1, and in that I will teach you the CBO and ABO. So make sure your eyes and your ear are on this. Okay, so let me pick up one niche, like that's a dentist. So the first ad set, which will be the broad keyword. This is the ad set, right? This is the ad set. Let me write that also, so you will not get confused. Ad set 1, broad keyword means dentist. Okay, if I am running ads for dentist. Okay, if I'm what if I'm running for digital marketing? I will pick up the interest digital marketing, right? Let me make it small. Okay, what is this? Is the interest? It is not the category here. Okay, it is the interest. It is not like the anything. So we did the research, we did the spreadsheet, you remember, we did the in the previous like a module, we did the interest research and all. So this is the interest. You know what I mean by interest? We create campaign, right? We create campaign, we select your interest. Like I will go for let's say dentist. This is the interest, right? This is a broad keyword, right? Broad keyword. So that's the first ad set of mine. Okay, control C, control V. This is the second ad set, right? This will be the not the broad, but you can say a little bit narrow. Not a narrow also, you can say this is broad. Let's name this as a little broad, or let's say narrow. Let's say narrow. I said 2. Okay, so here what I will do, I will write teeth, right? Let's check teeth is available or not. Tooth, actually tooth, not teeth. They are saying teeth. Teeth should be available. Yeah, teeth is available. Teeth cleaning. Yeah, teeth cleaning. Let's say teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning, right? Good. Narrow. Okay, this is the one interest. Narrow. If it is digital marketing, what will be? It may be landing page, or Google PPC, or PPC, or SEO, or anything, right? Right? Okay. So what I was saying, line. Okay. Let me remove this. Okay, so the thing is like the first level of testing, when you target first the broad, then the narrow. And one more thing which you can do is, let me duplicate, or should I make it this small? Let me make this small. Okay, good. Okay, the ad set number 3. Okay, so this may be more narrow, ultra narrow, or super narrow. Let's say super narrow. Super narrow. In this what will happen, let's say In dentist, people who are interested in teeth cleaning. But this is the almost similar like this, but this is for repetitive testing, because actually when you implement it, at that time you will learn why I did this here. Okay, so how we do that here? We type here dentist, and then we narrow down it. How we do narrow down? We do click on narrow audience, and then we select here teeth cleaning. Good. Okay, you got it. So in this case, what happened? People who are interested in dentist, but from that people who are interested in dentist, but people who are interested in dentist also and teeth cleaning also. You understand what I mean? Okay, you got it, I think. Okay, let me explain you another way. Okay, people who are interested in digital marketing, but the people who also follow Tony Robbins. One example, right? Good, you understand now? So I am looking for people who are interested in digital marketing, but they follow or they interested in Tony Robbins. You got me? Okay. And the fourth ad set will be the demographic. This will be the demographic. Let's say what I mean by demographic is, let me most in the dentist case we don't use a lot of demographic. Let me find this demographic here. I think demographic may be some kind of, if I'm targeting for dentist, I will target parents. Parents age, parents with adult children, age to 18 to 16. Just giving you an example. Okay, this is the one example. Parents with adult age children 18 to 16. Or I can create more demographic also, or I can put more demographic in this like series like this all in one. Okay, this also works. But if you have more money, you can test it more separately. Okay. So this is what the testing phase looks like, because lots of people don't know how to test ads. I'm sure you have not seen this anywhere else, because no one reveal their secret strategies. They just show you create 10 ads, create 5 copies, blah blah shit. They don't teach you how to do this, right? Okay, so let's say now this is the ad set level, right? We did on the ad set level. Okay, now what we do, this is level 1 testing. Dentist to teeth cleaning we did is the interest, dentist and teeth cleaning, and we did parents with adult children age 18 to 16, right? Now you will ask, like you said in the previous video that we should test only 3 ad set. Yeah, I'm still saying that. Okay, so what you will do, you will test from this 4 any 3 ad set, only 3, not 4. Maybe you pick this or pick this. This is mandatory, this is necessary. From this you can pick this or pick this. You can I will tell you, you can do this 4 also if you want, but I recommend to do 3 only. Okay, so what we do from here, what's the next phase? Let's do the level 2 testing now. I should make this as a level 1 phase actually, not testing. Okay, now let's do the level 2 phase. Okay, in level 2 phase what happened? We create 3 ad creatives. Ad set, let me delete this, delete, delete. Okay, this is not a ad set, this is the ad copy, means the ad copy and creatives. Okay, okay, ad copy 1, ad copy 2, ad copy 3, right? You provide 3 different ad creatives. Okay, the one will be video, ad 01, ad 02 and ad 03. This will be video, this will be photo, photo 01, this will be the photo 02, photocopy means the photo ads, like this, right? Like this it should be photo ad means. Okay, so you add 3 ad creatives, 3 ad copies or 3 ads in each ad set. Okay, level 2. Now let's go on level 3. Don't add more copy than this in the phase 1. If you have more budget, you can waste it. Okay, so level 3 phase. Okay, so what we do here is, as we created 3 things here, we will create 3 headlines, 3 copies, 3 copywriting. Let me use a simple word for you people. 3 copywriting means 3 different types of creatives. You understand by copy, right? And creative. Okay, 3 headlines, 3 creative. Like this is what I call creatives, so don't get confused. Alright. Okay, so what type of headline you should use? You should use 3 headline in it. Okay, now this is the phase 1 of testing. It's not a rocket science, it's easy. Now let's me demonstrate here. Okay, so okay, what we do is we create a campaign. Like this is a campaign level, this is a ad set level. Now I will duplicate this. Okay, the second, this is the third. Okay, new ad set 03, new ad set 0, new ad set 2, new ad set 1, and from this also I create more ad copies. Duplicate, duplicate. I am explaining you, that's why I am creating this, just overview of it. Duplicate. You understand what I am saying? Like this you create, duplicate. What happened, otherwise I will don't demonstrate you. Some people what will do, they will use 3 here and they will not make 3 here. So lots of people are like they they don't use their brain and they just copy paste. That's why I'm showing you. I know lots of people do this. Like, so that's why I'm showing you. Okay, this is the add 01, 02. I'm not writing here, it will take a lot of time. Okay, just let me type for you. Okay, let's do the hard work. Add 01. Okay, add 02, add 03. Like this we will do in all these ad sets. Okay, this is how it looks from the campaign level. Okay, now you will ask, here should I use CBO or here should I use ABO, right? We was on the topic. Okay, the first case is I given you what I given you a proven formula of three-phase testing, right? Alpha, beta, gamma, and this is 3, right? I given you the proven formula to generate leads. So what happened in that case? You don't need ABO. The first case is you don't need ABO here. You need CBO, right? Because I given you the proven formula here. Okay, so here you will use CBO. At budget of 500 RS or $20. Okay, this is for US and Australian market. Okay, this is the budget for the whole campaign. Will get that budget. Now how to do that? If you go here in the new campaign, if you go below, turn on this, and here you can add $20. I am adding like Indian currency 500. Okay, so this is the level 1 testing. Okay, so we did this. Now I will show you. I think is there any remaining? I think I have to talk something about. We did the level 1, we did the level 2, we did the level 3, means 3 headlines and 3 copy and creative, right? You got it, 3 headlines. Now what I mean by 3 headlines, let me show you that also. When you click here, okay, let me tell you one more thing. Like lots of people don't know this and they don't know how to use that. You have to turn on this dynamic creative on the level learning phase. I mean on the level 1 phase, right? I will show you what is dynamic creative. Just turn on this. Okay, on every time it is not, it is just for testing purpose. Okay, now what I will do, select your page here. I can add 3 headlines here. 1, 2, 3. Done. I can add 3 headlines. 1, 2, 3. Let me show you more. Can I close this? Okay. Setup error, I know. So let's say this. So I also created 3, nothing secret. So here headline, you use 3 headlines here like this. Okay, you can add more headlines like I shown you in the before video to add 3 headlines there. See this, I added here 3 headlines. Okay, like this 3 headlines you have to add. Okay, you got me. And 3 now what will happen? Now we did like this, you got me what I'm saying? 3 ad set with like first will be broad keyword, narrow, super narrow, demographic. Okay, we test this any 3 from this, and if it is like you have to use your brain, just don't mimic. Okay, you got me the formula of the ads: video, photo 1, photo 2. Okay, you got the headline, level 1 testing. Let me now show you like how we will optimize it in the next video.